1 minute.
That's what I'll be drinking the whole time I'm in here, so I wouldn't put it on the high shelf afterwards.
Hold make sure it's on hand.
This hand or this hand? That's what I've been telling him all my life. Now, trust me, baby, my button just right. I was in the dryer too long. Fuck that shit. Find a tighter shirt, man. That shit's too loose. No one can deny, like, it's a little shirt. That's definitely the case. Yeah, fucking don't try to dunk on anybody at the bar. I feel like I gotta wear something with like a hole where it's just fucking too tight or some shit now. What the fuck? Hold on a second. Not too obsessed, is it?
Places all the champions came from.
Fucking right. I wanna go skateboarding now. We rolling, baby. We rolling. Little car and a little shirt. Put it right here. It's gonna be on.
Have a good day, guys. I'm going my night shift.
Out there. Fucked it. Oh shit. Yeah. We're getting a little loud. Let me chill out. All right. I don't know what it is about Australia, but they be fucking us over good with this alcohol. The prices, how little it is. Our boy James had a vodka bottle that froze. Fucking. How is vodka freeze out here?
That's how we do it. I mean, we gotta get that.
Especially with global warming. And then I got the other night when we all went out, I looked at the Amex charges. I spent a total of 18 drinks, and I wasn't fucked up. I should have been fucked up. That's fucked up that I didn't get fucked up. That's fucked up. All right. Let's fucking ride. They got my scooter waiting for me. They got my sombrero just waiting on it. All that. That's got my name on it. Can I get a screwball whiskey and cranberry? A screwball whiskey and cranberry? Yeah. I ordered a screwball whiskey. Here, play that shit all week. All right, we're
What do you mean by screwball whiskey?
So on that third shelf, there's a picture that looks like a sheep. It says screwball on it. That's screwball whiskey. I get that and cranberry. Yeah, screwball.
Good way to make a piss off. That's the next question. That's the next question. The next question. How the fuck you got the talk?
Yep.
Is that it?
That and a cranberry mix, and I don't think he got his drink yet.
I'm gonna have a water. I don't know what the fuck I want yet.
Also, we just got in here. That's what I'll be drinking the whole time I'm in here, so I wouldn't put it on the high shelf afterwards.
I'll make sure it's on hand.
This hand or this hand?
So it's peanut butter whiskey and you want it with cranberry.
Yeah, it's like a peanut butter and jelly kind of mix. When you get free or something, I'd make one for you and give it a taste. It's pretty solid. Closes and one in, so I'll go for it. Let's roll.
Can you try again?
I dropped about 20. I hope this one would work. I go to the bar, get it, hold up the line, slow him down.